Hello friends, Apple has launched new power-packed AI feature to the users in free of cost. Its name is Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is a personal intelligence system that uses generative models and your personal context to help you communicate, work and express yourself, like searching the photos, creating movie, transcribe audio and answer the questions. But it is not working in India. Now, in my channel, I will tell you how to use this feature in India. You have to change some settings in iPhone. So please follow the steps in next slide. So, this is our primary requirement to use it. You have to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18.1 and it is available only in the Apple iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 16, 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. To enable this, uh, just go to setting and then click on general and select the language and region. Here set click on add language and set language to English US. So here it is asking for the English US. So touch on this. Now come to the region and change region to United States. Now go back to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Change language to English US. Touch on join waitlist and exit from settings. After 30 minutes, go back to setting and click on ready for Apple Intelligence. Thank you.